Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. 8-time Olympic champion Usain Bolt says he is just as confused as most people regarding the multi-million-dollar fraud case involving his account at local investment house Stocks and Securities Limited SSL. But the world's fastest man left no doubts about the split between himself and his longtime former business manager.
In his first public comment since news broke that he had been defrauded of millions of US dollars from his account at local investment house Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL, the world's fastest man Usain Bolt struck a resilient tone. Interestingly, the 8-time Olympic champion says he has drawn on the mental toughness he learned throughout his illustrious career to help him navigate the stresses of his current plight.
For me, it's tough, but I think through the years of competing, that helped me to understand and just focus on what's the matter. I leave the matter in my lawyer's hand, you understand? I'm just trying to focus on my family and try not to think too much about it because it's a stressful situation.
Bolt also cleared the air on the parting between himself and longtime business manager Norman Peart.
It was simple. He was fired. That's pretty much all I have to say. My lawyer said, no, I shouldn't say a lot about that, but it was not amicable. He was fired.
The allegations have played out largely in the public domain, but Bolt says he has no more clarity than the average Joe. So how much of a hit was it?
I'm not broke, but it's definitely put a damper on me, you understand? It was for my future. Everybody knows I have 3 kids. Still looking out for my parents, and I still want to live very well.
And for any Jamaican who thought the 36-year-old sprint legend was thinking of moving to a foreign land because of his current predicament, he had this message.
I just want to say to Jamaica that no matter what's going on right now, Jamaica is my country. And it will never change, and I will always love my country and always do everything in my power to uplift this country, no matter what's going on. Thank you very much.
Bolt was speaking at the launch of the Gibson McCook Relays, where he will be the patron of this year's event. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.